siguro kayang mag-build pa ng dalawang bahay na attached garage dun sa
Likod nila.
backyard nila Katie. Grabe. Yung mami talaga ang pina-enjoy ko kasi minsan lang naman yan.
Yeah.
So more or less ako yung babysit kina Damon and Bianica. Good morning, fam! And simulan natin sa aming beautiful coffee maker. But anyway, nagpe-prepare lang kasi ako ng kape and breakfast. So, meron tayo ditong bacon. Yan. If you could see, may bacon, nakasalang na yan. Di pa lang mainit, pero nilagyan ko muna siya ng water. And then, prepare din tayo ng favorite ni Kuya, which is bahaw. I'm kidding, it's garlic rice. And meron din tayo ditong hash brown. So, yun yung favorite ng mga kids din. I think Costco ba ito, love? Costco, no? Yeah. So, salang na natin sa air fryer. And then, after nyan, pag naluto na yung bacon, saka ako magluluto ng fried eggs for Kuya David. And look at my kiddos now and mommy. Good morning, mommy.
Morning.
Ginawa lang namang train station ni Kuya David ng aming sala. So, that is why parang nag-o-opt talaga kami ng my basement para makakapaglaro si Kuya David ng mga ganito. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating Calgary, Canada weather check. There you go. And it's amazingly 2 degrees and sunny. So, good morning everyone. Maayong buntag sa inyo hadira. Maayong gabi sa Pilipinas. Kana kuyaw Grabe walang clouds. There you go. So, nakapag good morning and breakfast na tayong preparation. Now, mamaya naman, baka pumunta lang kami ng playground with the kids. And then, late in the afternoon, may invite kami going to south of Calgary sa mga kaibigan naman ni Donna sa work. So, big day again for Alba Fam Bam. And, yep, pag na-prepare ko na yung food, there you go. Kumukulo na agad yung bacon natin. So, yeah. Frozen kasi siya, fam. So, coffee? Love, do you want coffee? Okay. Alright, so see you later pag naayos ko na. Bye! Ayan, let's go back. Quick in progress check. Okay, so our garlic fried rice, our bacon, and uy, bumilit na. No. Okay, anyway, it's fine. And that's our hash brown. And then after the bacon, magluluto din ako ng fried eggs pa for the kiddos. Hi fam, there you go. So sorry, medyo maingay yung air fryer, but natapos ko na ang bacon, frying the eggs. Tapos na rin to ang aking garlic rice na favorite ni Kuya David. And of course, may kape na tayo. So let's go and eat breakfast. Good morning, Alba Fam Bam! And ayan, na-prepare na ng Daddy ang breakfast natin. So, fried eggs, hash brown, bacon. Is this your favorite, Kuya?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no! I have this!
Yan.
Leon!
And syempre, gusto lagi ni Kuya may ketchup.
Leon,
So,
no, first have this.
kailangan yan. Must have. Okay, so kain lang kami.
Mommy, I have this. 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 Mommy
on. Go ahead, mommy, and daddy's driving.
We're going to our friend's house na. Nagmamadali na at medyo na late. Late na rin kasing nagis from the nap. So, dadaan pa kami ng Costco to grab something ng dessert para
Ano ba yung gusto nila?
strawberry shortcake.
Strawberry shortcake.
Yeah.
Now, excited na tuloy ako kung ano yung lasa ng strawberry shortcake.
Yeah. Kasi na, yun
Kasi
yung parang
special
natoka sa
request
akin.
Oo.
Ayan. So, on the way na kami. Ang ganda ng weather.
Super sunny, kaya kami naka-shades
Super
dalawa.
sunny and hindi ganun din kalamig. Di ba? Ayan ang aming weather today in Calgary.
Hindi, wala lang namang ano labo. Clouds, oh.
Although spring na talaga sa Vancouver ng mga gantong ano, actually. Pero it's alright. May cherry blossom na sa Gary Point. Doon kami lagi napunta ng cherry blossoms. On the way lang kami and see you later.
See ya.
Hello fam! And dahil nasaraduhan ng Costco,
Na-late na kami.
hanggang 6 o'clock lang pala ang Costco ngayon, Sabado.
Yeah, Saturday.
Akala namin hanggang 9:30. So, bibili na kami ng dessert sa aming favorite dessert shop sa Marble Slab. Mag-ice cream cake na lang din.
Ice cream cake.
Yes.
Ayun na
So,
siya.
bibili lang kami and then heading to
Yup.
our friend's house.
To the friend's house. There you go, fam. Ayan na si mommy. Nakabili na kami ng ice cream cake. Anong flavor niyan, love?
Strawberry.
Yan. So,
We're heading na. sa
let's
ating-
go!
And we're near, fam.
Dito na kami, malapit
Dito
na kami. And first time actually namin dito sa
Yeah.
community na to. Copperfield ang tawag.
Copper field.
Southeast.
Yeah.
Super southeast. Ganda ng
Ganda
mga
ng mga
bahay.
bahay.
Ganda ng mga bahay dito.
Ayan.
So, malapit na tayo.
Tutu.
It's here. Oh, nandyan sila. Cul-de-sac. Yung
Yep.
ano ng friend ni Donna.
Ayan, malapit na.
Ito na tayo actually. Ayan yung green 230. Is it 230?
Yeah.
Love? Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Corner
That's-
pala sila.
Yeah, that's their house, oh.
Alright.
230. Ganda. Alright, so hanap lang ng parking
Parking.
si Daddy.
And see you later.
Hatid lang muna si na Mami dito. Bababa ko na sila.
Alright.
Then, hanap ako ng parking. See ya!
Hello, fam. Good morning.
Good morning! Maayong buntag Calgary! Maayong buntag Canada!
We just want to continue the vlog kagabi. Kasi sobrang na-busy na. Ang dami ng chikahan.
What is that? Hot dog. Can you give Daddy? Alright. Good boy. Ooh! Yeah. Ang babait ng mga colleagues ni Donna sa office niya.
Yeah.
So, wala.
Parang-
Naubos lahat ng oras. Namao si Donna sa kakachika.
Oo. Nakakatuwa kasi ewan ko, parang iba yung feeling mong makipagkwentuhan pag sa work at sa outside. So, thank you Katie for hosting.
Yeah, thanks Katie for hosting.
And sobrang may next time pa. Paplano na daw kami na next time.
And by
Kasi-
the way, Katie, your home is gorgeous.
I know, yes.
Grabe ganda ng bahay
Totoo.
ni Katie. And so far, it's the largest backyard that I've been to in Alberta.
Yeah.
Sobrang laki nung backyard nila.
Oo, parang nag-football pa yung mga bata doon.
So like, estimate ko, yung normal na detached or attached garage rather, siguro kayang mag-build pa ng 2 bahay na attached garage dun sa
Likod nila.
backyard nila Katie. Grabe.
And sobrang sarap ng food. Thank you, Katie.
Yeah, it's chicken wings. And then
Yeah.
napait din ng husband niya, si Gil or si Keith. Yeah.
Aha. And also yung anak niya na parang naging babysitter ng mga anak namin. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami. And of course, si Mommy talaga ang pina-enjoy ko kasi minsan lang naman yan.
Yeah.
So, more or less ako yung nag-babysit kina David
nag-look
and
to ya.
Bianica. And yeah, I was very happy as well to meet Donna's colleagues in the airport.
Yes.
Ang babait nilang lahat. As well as Daniel. Thanks, Daniel.
Hey, Daniel, thank you for all the goodies.
For a lot of goodies.
Yeah.
And for the legit cup noodles.
Singapore.
It's Katong Laksa noodles. Na-miss namin yun. We really miss that place. It's one of the OG place of Laksa.
Yeah.
Singapore. So it's very good, very good. So, thanks.
Thank you.
So now, papunta na kami ng, of course, it's Sunday. So
Yeah.
punta na kami ng church ngayon. And look at that! Calgary! Ooh.
Sabihin na ba naming spring na ulit talaga?
Hindi, wag mo na. Wag mo na. Baka maudlot na naman. At alam nyo, hindi talaga predictable ang weather dito.
Yeah.
Pero sobrang init na naka-aircon na kami. Pagyayabang ko na, naka-aircon na kami. Hindi na heater.
So yeah, let's see. And church is done.
Yes.
Alam niyo
Ayos.
naman ang routine natin, kakain after church with the
Yeah.
papa.
Yup, so we're heading to Mahogany. Bagong na naman, community. Parang nakailang beses na tayo pumunta doon sa
Pero
Mahogany.
lang tayo, show home, tapos ikot before tayo pumunta kila bro.
Alright, that's right,
Yep.
that's right. Okay,
And we're going to eat sa
Kinjo
Kinjo.
Sushi, which is our favorite.
our go-to Japanese
Yeah.
restaurant dito.
Go to siya, Fab, kasi masarap na
Mura pa.
mura pa. Value added.
Yep. Alright, see you later.
See you later. Hi, fam! Let's say hi. Okay, so nandito kami sa Mahogany. And again, our favorite, Kinjo. So dito nag-aya ang brother Joseph namin.
Bagong camera.
Oo. Kuya Damon, come here. Yan no? Alright, so favorite na naman. And ramen gaming tayo ngayon. Ramen gaming, syempre. And syempre, share natin sa mga hindi taga Calgary. I think Kinjo is just in Calgary and Edmonton. Sa Alberta lang siya. But yeah, share natin sa mga viewers. Meron silang mga Pokemon. Japanese themed restaurant talaga siya. Pokemon. Then meron silang sushi ready for takeout. Sushi. And meron silang mga Gundam robots na naka-display. So more or less parang heaven to for Japanese collectors and characters. Yeah. Oh, that's that's Gohan, and yeah, this is Gohan.
And
This
who's this?
one is Son Goku. Ito,
Let me see.
the blue hair.
Daddy, can I have it?
Yeah. Ganda. Galing. There you go. Diba? Order mo, lab. Ramen and chicken.
Chicken and gyoza.
Yeah. It's fun. It's a YouTuber. Yeah.
That's cool.
Into vlogging. Yeah.
Vlogging is fun. I like taking photos.
Oh, nice. I have a question though. Can I bring my rice next time? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, that's it for today. And dito na tatapusin ang vlog, including our Buhay Canada vlog with Kinjo, our favorite restaurant. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Alba Fam Bam signing off, and bye-bye. See you on the next vlog.
Hang loose!
Hang loose!